I hope it will react as soon as I can. Yeah, look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god.
This video made for entertainment and educational purposes only, so don't repeat anything you see in this video.
Okay guys, so I've been down in a rabbit hole for the past few days, like generally Reddit threads, crypto forums, YouTube, Telegram channels. I've been searching everywhere for something that actually worked with a stake. And I want to be real with you, 99% of what I found just was a garbage. It's complete garbage, guys. Tools that don't load, bots that spit out random numbers, videos with thousands of views where the guys literally just clicking randomly and calling it's a predictor. I went through all of that, hours, and kept coming back empty even after watching 100 of different videos. But then, and this is why I'm recording today, something landed in my messages that looked different. I'm not saying it's a good yet, I genuinely don't know, but it looks different. Enough that I stopped scrolling and thought, okay, let me actually test this properly, live in front of you. Quick note before we start, guys, everything I show here is strictly for education and entertainment purpose only, and this is my personal test. I'm not telling you to copy anything what I'm doing here. Alright, so this is a tool, this is what it looks like, and right away I can see it's built specifically around the crypto game, which is, it's just okay, it's interesting. Okay, so the game is already opened, you've probably seen it before, and today I'm going to follow exactly what this tool tells me to do. Nothing more, I'm not improvising here, just following the steps. Okay, so and as I can see here, it's some initial requirements, and give me just a second. I want to move through it quickly because I don't want to waste your time on this step. So I'm just literally gonna choose the things what I need here. Okay, just need to copy that. Okay, let me open the main. Okay, so all I need, all I need just to use this application. I just have to get through it to get to the interesting stuff. So I'm pressing here, okay, and confirm. Alright, and now I'm just waiting for the process. While it is loading, drop me something in the comments, guys. Seriously, if you've tested predictors before, I want to know what you found, because based on everything I've seen, the comments are always split, guys. That's true. Okay, so well, I just need to wait the update. Yeah, that's already a notification came. That's amazing. So let me close the app first of all and reopen it again. Just want to make sure everything refreshed properly. So I'm opening again, and looks like looks like everything updated, and I'm good to continue. All right, so the next step, let me just follow this. Yeah, okay, that's good. So I'm just gonna continue. This one step is quite simple, and the next step I just need to send a specific piece of information, and just so you know, everything these tools use is from open public sources, guys. The calculator it runs, the data it pulls, all available online. And if you look for it, nothing private, guys, nothing shady in the term of the data itself. Okay, so let me just send the information like that. And the last one, I guess that's the last one I need just to put, type here, just copy. Okay, so let me just send it like that, and yeah, look at that, and that's loading started, connected, is going through. This is the moment I've been waiting, and honestly, because this is where the most tools die. Okay, there it is, the first picture. Alright, so this is how it works, guys. I just repeat what I'm seeing on the screen. The tools show me what to do, I follow. That's it. I don't make any decisions here. And this is what I'm gonna test today. So let me do a quick preparation here before. Looks like everything is nice on this point. So let me just check the picture and understand the location, the exact location what I'm seeing on the screen. So here, there, and let me just scroll down and to check the another three. Okay, here. Yeah. Oh, hold on. This is actually more. Is it actually work, guys? Okay. I'm staying calm. One means nothing, guys. Stay with me because of what's happened in the next 60 seconds. This is the whole reason I keep recording this for you. All right. So the second is coming. And same process. I just follow the picture. So I just need to understand the exact locations here, there, and there. Okay, let me check. And yeah, and this is it, guys. This is how it reacts. This is amazing, guys. This is what I like a lot. And the one is 95% what I used before. It's already it's different, guys. So the whole point of this now is to send everything back, because this is the whole point of this video, the biggest and the most important point, right? So I'm gonna do a quick preparation here. Okay, and let me open the app where I can grab my information. So just I need to grab this, copy one. Okay, and now I need to just come back and put the specific information what I got in this field. Okay, like that. And confirm. Come on. So it's taking a second. I'm going to, I think, is it correct? Come on, it's not reacting. So I guess it's moving. Let me just reload the page. Okay, so I'm gonna reload the page. Okay, checking. Yeah, looks like everything went through. Everything looks like on the right side. So I'm going to close this and give me just a moment. While I'm waiting, let me show you the name of the tool what I'm used today. You can pause the video right now because there are a lot of similar tools with similar names, so make sure you're looking at an exact one. And this is what I tested today. Always double check what we are using, always verify the source. Okay, so now it's time to back to the main things. All right, I need to check the update here. Let me just swipe down. It's not updated yet. Let me just refresh the page, and I'm gonna refresh the page. I will do it one more time. I guess it shouldn't be like in a few minutes. Sometimes like it's a bit delayed, but the 95% the tools what I used before are here already not working. So the most interesting part for me, and because that's why I'm excited. I need to refresh it, and I will wait. I hope it will react as soon as I can. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh my god. That's already here. That's working, guys. Oh my god. After everything I went through this week, every dead end, every tool that did nothing, every video what I watched that turned out completely nonsense. This one, guys, this is how it happens today. Wow, guys, this is my test, this is my personal experience. And if you like this video, press like, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I prepare something truly amazing in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in another one.